Okay guys, as you can see, it's actually generating our coins and our diamonds, and it works amazing. What's up people, and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited coins and diamonds for DLS 25 game, absolutely free, safe and online, without downloading any mod or anything. Imagine guys, it's working perfectly in both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search DLS and you will find the online tool. Click there, and now we will have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So open the game, click on settings, up here click on advanced, click on system info, then copy info. Let's get back to the R tool, then paste it just like that. Press continue guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our coins and diamonds amount. So I will go with the maximum, so let me click continue guys, and let's see, does it actually work. So guys, if you want to stay updated with this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of this and review more websites around this. AppLoop is an amazing website for this. Okay guys, now we have few minutes to complete this bot check process. Just click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, and now we're on the manual verification step. The last one, the most important steps. What we need to do here, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher. When the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So I will download Copper and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. Guys, I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so let's wait together and let's see. Nice guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Coins and diamonds are on the way guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's see, does it actually works. Let's see guys. Okay guys, as you can see, it actually generating our coins and our diamonds, and it works amazing. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial. As you saw, AppLoop is an amazing website. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.